Hello everyone, this is Sangeeta, Assistant Professor, ECE Department, SNS College of Technology, and today's topic is digital to analog converter. So, before going to the topic, let us have a small recap about the previous video. So, the previous video is about the applications of operational amplifier. So, operational amplifier is an amplifier which amplifies the signal applied between the input terminals. So, there are two input terminals, inverting terminal and non-inverting terminal. The main applications or addition, subtraction, that is the operational amplifier is called so far because of the operational amplifier can do mathematical operations, that is addition, subtraction, differentiation, that is all this summing amplifier. It can be used as summing amplifier, differentiator and integrator. So with this input, let us move on to the topic that is empathy. Why we need DAC? So the main applications are audio systems. Suppose if you want to hear the music in speakers or headphones, there it plays a main role. That is, in audio systems, it converts the digital music into analog sound for headphones and speakers. And in motor speed control, it is mainly used to control the speed of the motors, mainly in industries. And in communication system, it is used to generate analog signals for transmission. And in instrumentation, it provides analog output for different waveform generators and measuring devices. And in process control systems, it converts digital controller output into audio signals for actuators and valves. And here we can see this is the analog, and after passing through the analog signal, it is converted into digital, and after that the digital inputs are given to DAC and we can get the analog output. And here it is, for example, this is the analog signal and this is the digital signal. So digital signals are binary values, that is there are two binary values. It may either 1 or 0. And let us move on to define. So with the empathy we can define what is a DAC, that is digital to analog converter, is an electronic circuit that converts digital binary data into the analog signal. Analog signal means it can convert into voltage or current signal. So it mainly acts as an interface between the digital systems and real world analog devices. And here we are applying digital input, and after passing through the DAC it will produce the analog input. And there are some specifications, and the main specifications are resolution, linearity, accuracy, settling time and temperature sensitivity. Let us see one by one. The resolution is the smallest, that is it is the measure of the smallest possible change in the output voltage. That is a percentage of the full scale output range. An 8-bit D/A converter has an 8-bit resolution. And the next one is linearity, that is equal increments in the numerical significance of digital input should result in equal increments in the output voltage. So it is called linearity. That is, if we increase the input on digital, that is, for example, if we increase from 0011 to 0100, the output also should increase linearly. So this is called linearity. And the next one is accuracy. So it is the measure of the difference between the actual output voltage and the expected output voltage. So for a 10 volt full scale maximum range, the output voltage and has an accuracy of 0.2%. For example, for a 10 volt full scale, the accuracy may be plus or minus 20 millivolt. And the next one is settling time. That is the time required for an analog output to settle within a to settle for the final value after the input change. It is usually specified by the manufacturers and it is referred to as settling time. And the temperature sensitivity, the last one is temperature sensitivity. So the analog voltage, the analog output voltage for any fixed digital input varies with the temperature. So it is specified as ppm in degree Celsius. So these are the specifications of DE. And there are two types of DAC. One is weighted resistor DAC and another one is R2R ladder DAC. So we will see these topics in the next video. And hope this video will help you to understand the basics of DAC. And the assessment time is, there are 3 questions. What are the main applications of DAC, and define settling time and accuracy. So submit your answers in the next class. Thank you.